Looking to add a touch of elegance and functionality to your outdoor space, the DIVCHI Obelisk is the perfect decorative garden feature. Made from durable metal tubing with a weather-resistant coating, it stands approximately 180 centimeters tall and offers excellent stability with 4 ground stakes. Use it to support climbing plants, hang fairy lights, or decorate with garlands for holidays or special nights. Easy to assemble and versatile for any garden style. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to elevate your garden this season? Check out the Garden Obelisk, a 2-meter tall support designed to help your climbing plants and vegetables reach new heights. Its portable design makes it easy to move around your garden, and it penetrates 40 centimeters into the ground for maximum stability. Plus, you can remove and reinsert it whenever you want. Create a lush, thriving garden with the Obelisk. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a sturdy support for your climbing plants? Check out the Gardman Riveted Trellis. This heavy-duty expanding diamond trellis is perfect for showcasing long-stemmed and climbing plants, helping them grow healthy and vibrant. Made with riveted extra-thick timber slats, it offers durability and stability. Plus, it is FSC certified timber, ensuring eco-friendly sourcing. Whether for your garden or patio, it's a reliable choice for plant lovers. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Pick for Life Trellis, a stunning and versatile garden accessory standing 145 centimeters tall. Perfect for training climbing plants indoors or outdoors, it features a decorative spiral surface and elegant fleur-de-lis finial. Made with rust-proof, weather-resistant metal and lightweight yet sturdy design, it easily supports roses, vines, vegetables, and more. Whether in your garden, patio, or inside, this trellis adds strength to your plants. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the DIVCHI Garden Trellis, a versatile and eco-friendly solution for your gardening and decorating needs. Made from high-quality, durable thick wood, this trellis is perfect for supporting climbing plants, creating privacy screens, or enhancing your home decor. Its expandable design allows you to customize the size for any space, whether in a garden, balcony, or indoor setting. Add style and function to your environment with this beautiful multi-purpose wooden trellis. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to transform your garden? The Garden Trellis is perfect for creating lush, vibrant spaces. Made from high-quality natural wood, these trellis panels allow plants to grow in 2 directions, promoting healthier, faster growth. They make supporting climbing plants simple and easier to prune, ensuring your garden stays beautiful and easy to maintain. Whether attaching to fences or walls, the Garden Trellis helps your garden thrive in any weather. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Discover the OZMI Garden Obelisk, a stylish and sturdy 6-foot tall trellis designed to support your climbing plants effortlessly. Made with weather-resistant steel and a durable epoxy coating, it features 5 tiers, 4 ground-penetrating stakes, and adjustable clips to guide roses, cucumbers, and grapevines upward. Its modular, tool-free assembly and portability make it perfect for any garden season. By day, it showcases your plants beautifully. By night, it transforms into a charming outdoor decor piece. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.